Hi guys, Aradhya here. Are you enjoying your summer vacations? I am sure you are enjoying them. I have come up with a new craft idea which will make your summer vacations more exciting. Here we have drawn a picture of Christmas Eve, but we can't see very well. Oh, what can we use to see well? Let me think. We can use a flashlight. Turn it on. But snow in the house. That is super pretty. And the snow one. Now I'll show you how to make your own flashlight pick. So for that we need a pick of your choice, a transparent sheet. I don't have one, so I just use this old foil and some scissors, markers, some crayons to color the flashlight, and paper, A4 sheet paper, one white one and any dark one. Now I'll show you how to make it. First we put our foil on the pic we want to make. Then we trace it with the black sketch pen or a marker.
Let's start coloring it. For that, keep the pick on a white sheet. So let's start coloring. So we are done now.
Now we have to put this black sheet in.
Now we pick with the flashlight. Wow, is it looking colorful?
Yes. Super colorful.
Did you like this pic?
Yes. I hope you liked my video making a craft with me. If you liked it, share with your friends. And the most important, subscribe. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.